finished.
Wow.
Even though I died instantly, I still won.
Too fast.
Too fast.
I was right next to a light trail and like about to crash into the corner, and I still turned just in time. So I'm getting better at that.
Yeah. Did you? Yeah. Sorry, Shape. Sorry, that's just how full speed goes. That's 5x for you.
Combatant ready.
Oh, no.
Initiating new round.
What are we doing now?
Okay.
We're a little less than 5 now.
A little.
Well, a bit.
Oh, no. Oh,
I got this.
Wait, what?
Oh shit.
And I still ran into a.
Wait, what speed is this?
This is Tron for senior citizen.
It's half. It's 0.5.
It's Tron for senior citizen. Oh, you fucking Ray.
25? Oh my god!
I hate you, Ray.
Oh wait, did I grab you? Did I get to stay boosted?
Combatant destroyed.
What the? This is like the world's slowest life cycle.
Yeah, I know. Cheerio. Cheerio.
Yeah. Cheerio, indeed. Yeah. Is there something Hey! I still ran into you. Get cut.
Combatant destroyed.
Just you and me.
That is the worst ever.
3 weeks.
Sunday night. Just a casual Sunday cruise at the
This is bad.
We are so slow.
Oh dear.
Cairo was laughing his head off too. I think the only way to actually get to
Join us if you wish. Join us if you wish,
The way
chat.
to actually get to you is
Combatant
just
victory.
you just crashed that too, but what? Huh? You didn't have to turn that early.
Initiating new round.
Oh boy.
Immediately.
You done.
Would anyone like a cup of tea?
You definitely got a lot.
Noises.
Not this time.
Combatant destroyed.
What? How?
What? No.
Old age.
Combatant destroyed.
Hello.
Combatant destroyed.
How are people dying?
Good day.
Good day.
Combatant victory.
How?
Initiating
I don't have that
final
avatar.
round.
Good Lord, Cairo. What in the world were you thinking in your mind? Are you twisted Kuga now?
Yes.
Cairo Jacob,
Understandable.
Iggy is stuck in helicopter mode and wants to know how to undo it.
Tickle his wind.
So, the short answer, we do to the toggle that does copter mode. If that doesn't work, it's an avatar.
You forgot I was there, didn't you?
No, You're not gonna get me with that again.
Or will I?
Nope.
Very close to each other.
Combatant
Oh!
destroyed. Combatant destroyed. Combatant destroyed.
Okay. Yeah.
Watching
Drake off is somewhere.
I hear him.
This is what Tron would be like on the mowing law, riding mowers.
Combatant victory.
Can you tell him how to undo it?
What?
Tyler, can you tell?
Yeah, I can help him.
Finished.
Where is he? Oh,
Oh, he's right there.
first of all, respawn. Respawn.
Oh! You found it. Now he's in the arena.
How did he get in there?
He went outside the barrier of the spectator booth and went down there.
Okay, there you are. Are you out of helicopter mode? Yes, you are.
I'm back. I'm here. Hi. So, Teak, before we do anything, I broke that. Mike.
I was going to do logging out.
Okay. Well, thank you for being here. Thank you for coming.
Assist.
Got your
I
hat.
have comments.
Got your
No,
hat.
you don't. No, you don't.
Got your hat.
That's just welded on. You ain't never getting it off.
You said you have comments.
I have comments. I'll talk to you tomorrow about them.
Okay. Are they good and bad?
Yes.
Okay.
It is completely constructive criticism. I will hope to word it in all of the best ways possible.
Okay. But do you like this world?
Yes. This world is a win for me.
Okay. Very good.
I give it an A.
Okay. I may have to give it an A too. My second A.
Yep. I will talk to you all later.
Speed safely.
Later, Beamish, and you, Mike.
Good night.
So,
Good night.
I think with that slow round, that's a good capstone
Yes.
to lead into Gigas.
Yes, I agree. While everyone was screaming at the fast one, I wanted to see what would happen if we were actually playing Tron, with riding mowers.
Yeah.